Hi guys, welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. As you all know, this is your crypto update where we share the headlines with you and let you know what has been making waves talking about the headlines in the cryptocurrency for some times now. And we all know Elon Musk has been talking about SBF and has been calling him out as well on Twitter, and people are now trying to say Sam Bankman-Fried is actually a fraud. But let's check out what the headlines looks like to today. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and these are the headlines. Elon Musk alleges SBF donated over 1 billion US dollars to Democrats. We are so surprised, or some of us are not surprised because we know it's been part of the political uh, parties talking about donations. And also, we can see Australian stock exchange fires more than 200 contractors working on cancel blockchain project. And also, we can see right here FTX Japan plans to restart local customer withdrawals. We hope so. And we can see also right here SBF publicly punts on US House hearing invitation, and this is surprising because people are saying it's subject or it's supposed to come up for the hearing talking about the FTS collapse, and it's saying maybe or maybe not. That means it's not sure. All right, let's move on. More headlines on the radar. We can see FTS crash will affect every FT team, says Mercedes Benz, and we can see also right here Coinbase CEO reject FTX accounting error, says funds were obviously stolen. Chronos-based algorithm lending protocol rug pulls 600,000 US dollars from users. You need to be careful. Make sure you do your own research before you put your money on any project. Despite endless media appearances, SBF unlikely to testify on the 13th. And now we can see Alameda Research invested 1.15 billion US dollars in crypto miner Genesis Digital. We all know Genesis too is facing a lot of problem. Pakistan launches new law to expedite CBDC launch by 2025. And also Ripple files final submission against SEC as landmark case near the end. ByBit announces second round of layoffs in 2022 to survive the crypto winter. We all know we've been in the bear market for some times now, and they're laying off again. Genesis owes Gemini earn users 900 million US dollars. Report says 3 Arrow liquidator sees 35 million US dollars, seek 30 million US dollar more, much more for the super yacht, something like that. You can check it out. Yahoo to offer retail stock trading. Is crypto the next? Is what people are speculating. Galaxy Digital wins Celsius bankruptcy auction to acquire crypto custodian GK8. Uh, we all know Celsius was even under FTX saying they were going to acquire them and all of that after they bought Voyager thinking they're going to win the bid, but now Galaxy wins the Celsius bankruptcy option. Big up to Galaxy, and we can see TIMEX launches $2,500 bought ape yacht watches and matching the NFTs. I think for the lover of NFTs, you might want to check that out if you're interested. And still speaking of NFT, Coinbase pauses plans for Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT short film trilogy. Wow. Chinese court says NFT are virtual property protected by law. You might want to check that out. And Apple has blocked Coinbase wallet on their platform. I do not know why. You need to check that out again. One more NFT before we round up today's update is Uniswap aim to become marketplace for all digital assets. You might want to check that. Those are the crypto updates out for you, and those are the headlines that have been buzzing the radar for some times now. You might want to check them out. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim. Until I catch you on another crypto update talking about the headlines, it peace out from me. So this